What's up, everyone? It's B the Installer here, and this is not a TV. This is actually an e-bike. MagiCycle was so kind to send us a couple of these e-bikes after I talked to the boss over here and asked her, hey, should we take them up on getting a couple e-bikes?
And I said, yes, let's do it.
Yeah, so super stoked to show you these. We actually have the step over black bike here, and this one is the step through white bike, and they come in a pair together. You can get it online. Check in the description, the link there. But I ran these with Jolster, and I was super impressed with them, so I definitely wanted to take a peek at this. So we'll talk about the specs of these bikes as we get into this, but I think we should unbox these.
Let's get into the magic.
All right. You want to pop these open? You're getting pretty good at that stuff.
Oh, thanks. I try. Bam.
Cool. And we have the Tesla Model Y Performance behind us. A little plug to the new channel, Be the Consumer, where we did a full review on that. Awesome car right there. And we'll have other things like these e-bikes. We'll have another review over there. And the GoPro video is up now. So check out Be the Consumer if you have a chance. Let's go ahead and cut this up. There we go. I think that should be good. Awesome.
Nice.
Cool. So, yeah, why don't you grab that?
This is the brain.
It's got all the goodies.
Ride free, ride fun. I love it.
Let's see what we got there.
Oh, nice. Check this out. We've got the installation booklet.
Which you know I won't use.
Yeah, we know. Throw it out. Got this nice hat. Good deal. I love it. Oh,
Got some Stop the FOMO gloves.
We got the white glove guys. These are, you know, safety first.
You gonna wear them?
Yeah.
You can't see your cool nails now. Yeah, get rid of them.
Oh, this is the bicycle alarm.
It's pretty cool.
Very key for this fancy bike. A little light. Yeah, you gotta have your light.
Headlight.
Safety. Again, safety first.
And reflector.
And reflector. Let's see. Oh, is this for your phone?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I love this. This is gonna be awesome. Because if you're going to be riding this bike to go get your groceries or something, you gotta put your directions in.
Some tools.
This feels like some tools. Comes with everything you need to put this bad boy together, which is awesome. If I know one thing from working with B, you can never have too many tools because he's gonna take them all and then forget where he puts them.
Yep.
So, love this.
And then just throw them in a bucket in the garage.
Yeah.
And call it work stuff.
Bike lock key, don't forget the combination.
You know, a lot of people are pretty happy about having a bike lock. I saw a lot of these kind of bikes don't come with all this gear, so it's pretty cool.
And then pedals, also very key when you're working with a bike, you know?
Yeah. What's the last thing in
Let's
there?
see, the last thing, what do we have? Ooh.
Charger.
Charger. E-bike needs a charger. So nice, looks like a decent length of an extension cable.
It's a 3 milliamp hour charger, so it actually charges the battery up in 5 hours. Well, we can put some of that back in there and probably keep the pedals out. We'll need those. They're right here. And the tools. And there you go. I know a lot of people that are pretty up on these e-bikes are impressed with how this is packaged. It has a lot of foam protection that keeps it from being damaged. You know, the wheel is locked in here with a little triangle brace. The front looks pretty good too. I did see on the top here there's a little bit of a rub mark there, but it doesn't look like there's no scratches or anything. So all in all, this is very well packaged, and so I'm excited to rip it out of the packaging and get this sucker put together. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right.
Love a good package. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
So just hit all the zip ties?
Yeah. Why don't you hit all those zip ties?
It's like Christmas morning here.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Ooh, that's cool.
Check out that bad boy.
MagiCycle. These bikes are no joke, man. They look pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's been, gosh, how long since we had a bike?
Since our PB days back at the beach, before the kids even. Jeez.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
I think we've looked at e-bikes at like Trek and other places, and we looked online before, and we're like, these look interesting, but really didn't know where to start in looking because the ones at Trek are like $12,000. Are you kidding me? This thing? These are like $1,600, and if you use the code installer, you get another $100 off.
Oh, that's
and like I said, these two bikes together, I think they're $3,200, which it's not nothing, but it's definitely better than $12,000 for one.
Yeah. It's a great investment because, especially with gas prices where they're at, these days, if you live in any kind of like commuting kind of area, these would be really, really beneficial.
Jen says she wants to make it up to the grocery store. We're gonna have to go up this hill, up there, around the corner.
I need a basket to put on this bad boy.
Oh yeah, this is the front fender. I'll move that to the side. Jen, you're doing a good job. Oh, that's the brake, the derailleur protector. I guess you've taken it off. That's fine.
You need one of these for life.
Yeah. So life doesn't derail.
Yeah.
Should we just pull this thing out and see what else is going on? You want to help me lift this out?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch out, that tire doesn't fall out. There we go. Why don't you snap that guy right there? There's two here.
There we go. Okay.
Dude, these tires are definitely some fatty boom baddies. Yeah. I like it. All right, why don't you go ahead and get the rest of these off. Okay. We were talking about putting the handlebars on or the wheel on first. We got to have the rotor in there first, otherwise it could damage the brake. So just be careful. Don't squeeze the handlebars until you get the front wheel on. The handlebars kind of have to go on like this. So we got to remove these 4 Allen keys right there. Get that in there, tighten it back up. Again, don't press the brakes. But yeah, this looks, I mean, look at that leather. It looks awesome. And then we got a accelerator here. Can change the level of assist. And we got the go light. This is also backwards. This has to go like this because this is the on and off switch right here. So let's go ahead and put the handlebar on, put the tire on, and then we'll crank this bad boy up. So let's pop these 4 off quick. Nobody can spin an Allen key like B, the installer. Of course, I should have started with the bottom 2 first. Rookie mistake. All right, why don't you hand me the handlebars? So we got those in there. You can put that little piece, you know, upside down, doesn't matter. It's the same. We may have to adjust some of this stuff, so I'm just gonna get us like partial. So they're all started. I can still move it a little. I wanna make sure it's square and everything. We're gonna have to, there's some on the back here we can loosen to make sure that it's in line with the tire. But I think as long as we have it pretty darn close. All right, let's get these pieces off. Now we have to move this little piece here. So when you take this off, there's a spring on each side. So when you pull it out, you just gotta make sure that that spring doesn't disappear. The small side goes toward the bike tire. So we'll hold that spring there, and then you got like the nut, and then you got this bolt here with that spring on the other side. And this is what the tire's gonna go on. So we'll take this piece off. You wanna lift it up, Jen? So you just gotta push it down. You just gotta be smarter than the bike. There we go. So now let's put the tire on. So why don't you go ahead and lift that sucker up, babe? And carefully, hold on, careful with bringing it down. There we go. Bring it on. So we're gonna just slide this sucker back in. It's fully seated. The disc brake is in position, so it looks good. Then on the other side, we gotta put the little spring back in with the small side in first, so it can dig in there a little bit, and then just spin it in, and then you gotta crank this side over here to tighten it. There we go. All right. So then we clamped it up. I clamped it up, it looks good. All right, so Jen had to step inside, and I needed to charge the battery up. So we took the battery off, took it inside, and got that going to make sure we got charged when we're ready to go. And in the meanwhile, I'm gonna put this fender on, and the light that goes here, and then also got the pedals to put on. So this will take me a few minutes to get these on, so I'll go ahead and start now. So we're gonna sneak this fender through the back here, and there's a little screw for that to hold, and also we can put the light on it, and then these guys just grab onto this. So we're gonna use the Allen key to situate those. I'll do that first, and then I'll put the light on the top so we can navigate that. So let's grab the Allen wrench we needed before. So we'll get this sucker on first. Lock this one in, there we go. Feels a little tight, but like I don't know if that's gonna fit right, but we're gonna have to mess, oh, there we go. Once you bring it forward to get it into this spot there, it lifts it off the tire. So let's go ahead and take this guy off. We gotta remember that there's a washer on each side. And now I wanna figure out how to get this light on while we're there, because this thing's awesome, man. And then there's a little connector right here that will connect it. So put this through here first, and then through here. And then in the back, we got the fender on, I think. We're gonna have to tighten it down pretty good to get it to stand up. Not too shabby. Ooh, that's tight. All right. We can always tighten that up and then we'll just connect it here. There we go. We're locked and loaded, man. So the front fender looks good. The light looks good. And now we just have to put the pedals on, of course. We're not gonna get very far without the pedals. So we're just gonna go ahead and start to thread them. Looks like this one goes on clockwise. Get it on there. We're gonna have to tighten it up with the wrench. The 16 or the 18? That's 16. All right, 16 millimeter, I guess. Go ahead and crank that sucker on tight. There we go. There we go. And then we'll put the other one on the other side. This one's going counterclockwise. There we go. Tighten that one up. Oh, there we go. That is on there tight. Cool. So we got the pedals on, got the fender, the light, all that on. The battery's still charging and Jen's off, so why don't I just put her bike together real quick, surprise her, and then we can just roll off. Okay, we got the bikes here. They look awesome. We got a couple more minutes before Jen gets out, so I just wanted to show you some of the features of the bikes. So there we are, juicing it up. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of hard, but it's got a nice little LCD screen. You can see how fast it goes. You can see that the battery is 77% charged. So on the left side here, you have your pedal assist and also the power. So you can, right now it's at 0 and you can crank it all the way up to 7. So 7 different levels of pedal assist. It also has 7 different speeds on this side. Of course, we have a front and rear mechanical disc brakes. And here we have the 15 amp hour, 52 volt high energy battery. Tells you if it's full or empty right there. Just give it a good old charge. Charges in about 5 hours. And right here is a 750 watt motor in the back tire. Pretty awesome. One of the coolest features, in my opinion, is the storage rack. This thing is like bulletproof. I know my guy Jolster has like a bag that he puts up here to put all of his camera gear in. So this is a really cool feature. And you know, it's gonna be perfect for us if we are going to get some groceries or just going out to a ball game or something with the kids. We're gonna have all kinds of storage. And of course you have the accelerator on here. I don't wanna punch it quite yet because we gotta fill up the tires, but I think we should do that and get Jen out here and go for a ride. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing and setup video. These bikes are awesome, super stoked. Thank you so much, MagiCycle. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe and all that. Check out Be the Consumer where we'll have other products like this. And we're just gonna go right off into the sunset. Bye.